Do you want to start make money online? Number one, no laptop experience. You can just make money with your mobile phone. You will just start in money now in different social media, both YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok with your mobile phone. I can advise you to stop wasting your data watching TikTok for free and some others, Facebook for free, YouTube for free. You can just use that your data and make money free of charge. Make money. I make up to 10,000, 5,000 every day with my mobile phone, and here is the strategy I want to show you today. If you are ready, type money on my comment section or message me on WhatsApp. You can check on my description. WhatsApp me through there. Type money on my comment section, then I can send you the link through there or teach you more about it. So please kindly subscribe and like, comment on our comment section anything that you need, but subscribe so that you can be the first person to get our video whenever we post a new video. So now let's go. Let me teach you how you can make money easily in different social media with your mobile phone easily. Both TikTok, both Facebook, and both WhatsApp. In different ways you can make money easily. So let's just go.